Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm just going to share a little bit of footage with you guys and also with my family. This is actually dedicated to my family in Trinidad because I haven't seen any of the footage that I basically made while I was in Trinidad, so I thought I'd just upload this so you guys can have a look at it. And yes guys, this goes out to all my friends, family in Trinidad. See you soon. Let's go wake them up. Is everyone up? Or are they sleeping? Let's go and wake them up. Good morning, everybody. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Oh, brilliant. Good morning, Kayla. Sleep well? Good morning, Paris. Would you like some doubles? I got some doubles. I got some doubles downstairs for you. Okay. Well, doubles going fast. You better come down for some. Right, guys, we're gonna get some doubles. This is a very nice food, Trinidadian food. It's like a little dough thing with some chickpeas in it.
Ryan, I want pepper in my own.
You want pepper in yours?
I want pepper in mine. Huh?
How big are they? How big are they? Yeah. Do I need two?
Yeah. One each?
Yeah, go on then. Because I just had something.
Right, oh, you had something.
A little thing. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Yeah. Tasting good.
Tasting good. Oh, right. This is aloo pie. And this is double. Yummy, yummy. Is that nice?
Yes. Yes. Yes, camera.
Yes, camera.
Yes, camera.
Double's good?
Yep, Kelly.
Pineapple burger. Do you have any pineapple burgers? Or do you have some? And chicken?
No, I don't.
Do you have some any?
I don't have no burger with what again?
I would like some chicken.
All finished last week.
How about some fried? Do you sell fried?
Nope. All finished yesterday
How about
and today.
some fish and? Do you have some
Milkshake.
fish
You want
and?
milkshake? And milkshake. Milkshake for you.
What about some?
And some tea for you.
What about some milkshake and?
Milkshake and tea. I squeeze on these
Or
duck.
what about some ice?
Milk.
Cones. Whoa. Yeah, that's lovely. Look at that. See?
Snow cone.
Snow cones. Snow cones. Snow cones. Wow.
Sugar. I've been craving one of these since I left the country.
Yeah, innit?
Yes.
You don't get this in the UK.
No. We just get like a snow cone with sugar.
I did buy one, but it's not the same. Meanwhile, back at home, another household gadget gathering dust, waiting for the gum tree cell transition. So snow cone is ice, yeah, shave ice in it, with syrup and condensed milk on the top. Yeah. It tastes sweet, sweet, and it cools you down. It's so nice. Take it out, have a look at it. Where is it? It's an alien one, isn't it?
Yep.
It was this one. I swear, right? I took him out this morning, and I see him go like this. Serious. Take him out and have a look. Let me see. He moves his eyes. Yeah. Yeah. I heard a story once, right? Where someone bought one of them, right? And it used to follow them around the house. Like when it got bigger,
How big?
like about that big, it used to follow them around the house, right?
I think they must have some kind of weakness.
Sometimes they can bite as well. They get teeth.
I got to stop growing.
But if you get a good one, they're really nice and they'll follow you around. But if you get a bad one,
Mine's that egg. Mine's the red one is bad.
just turn your fingers into chili bibi and eat it. We're gonna get some ice, man.
Get some soft drink.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Curtis, you alright? Kayla, you alright? Kaylee, you alright?
Yeah.
Selena, Paris. So, welcome to the talent show of 2019, featuring
Kaylee have to try and get $1,000,000,000 and she's over there. Say hi.
Go.
Mosquito 1, mosquito 2, mosquito jump in the old man's shoe. He shoot too hot, he jump in the pot.
Okay, guys, let's take that from the top, but this time with an Uncle Brian beat.
Mosquito 1, mosquito 2, mosquito jump in the old man's shoe. He shoot too hot, he jump in the pot. The pot too cold, he jump in the hole. The hole too far, he jump in the car. The car too fast, he jump in the grass. The grass too high, he jump in the sky. The sky too blue, he jump in the blue. The blue too sticky, the cold is the Sammy key. The end! The end!
You going? You wanna go in there? Why did you pick the Goldfinger? Huh? Because you like that one. Yeah, but why do you like it? Why? Because? Because it's shiny. Ah, okay. So you like that one because it's shiny. And why did you pick that one?
I picked that one because I like it.
Because you like it. Yeah, but what do you like about it?
It just tastes good.
How do you know it tastes good? How do you know it smells good and tastes good?
Because when last home we had one.
Huh?
That don't make no sense.
How do you know it smells good and tastes good? Huh?
Because when you was kill it, eat it. Don't open it, like grandma only. No, that's not grandma. Like Uncle Brian. Uncle Brian, who is that?
That's Uncle Brian. So that's it for today's video. Take care. God bless. Peace.